Washing multi-layer mesh bell dryer assembly demonstration. Choose the position for the host machine according to the field situation and find the central line of the host machine. Put the feeding conveyor into the host machine for joint connection. Put it in the corresponding slot. The feeding end should be directly set on the raised platform. The two chain drums should be at the same level. Then connect the host machine with the transmission port. Point the air outlet of blower to the air inlet of the host machine and guarantee the blower is at the same center line as the host machine. The round mouth of the connector between the blower and the furnace is installed on the blower. According to the size and shape, find the position to make the burning pit. Then, place the furnace over the burning pit. Build extended steel frame. Extend the furnace top by 200 millimeters and the furnace end by 600 millimeters. Wrap the thermal insulation boards externally. Build a 200 millimeter air inlet over the furnace. Set the smoke extraction fan and fasten the screws. One. Start the big blower. 2. Ignite fill. 3. When the fill is in normal combustion, start the small blower. 4. Start the driving motor to feed materials. 5. When the host machine starts to discharge materials, turn on the discharge conveyor. 1. After the materials are dried, stop feeding fills. Then turn off the driving motor and discharge conveyor. 2. Turn off the small blower till the thermostat shows the temperature is down to 40 degrees. Turn off the big blower. Gongyi Guoxin Machinery Plant is willing to join hands with friends from all walks of life and create great resplendence.